This is the saffron supplement made with saffron stigma extract combined with ashwagandha and magnesium glycinate. Each capsule provides 88.5 milliliters of saffron in a clean formula made in the USA. The blend is designed to support daily wellness, with saffron often valued for eye health, ashwagandha known for balance, and magnesium glycinate helping with relaxation. The bottle includes 60 capsules, giving you a full month's supply when taken daily. The capsules are easy to swallow, clean, and formulated without unnecessary additives. If you're looking for a supplement that combines saffron with other supportive ingredients to promote overall well-being, this saffron supplement with ashwagandha and magnesium glycinate is a practical option.